subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Huawei Nova 5T back in August, now the company is set to launch its Pro variant as Nova 5T Pro. Recently, the upcoming Huawei Nova 5T Pro has spotted on Android Enterprise listing that reveals the first front look of the phone along with some key specifications. According to the listing, the image of Huawei Nova 5T Pro is seen to have flat display with rounded corners and a punch hole at the top left corner for selfie camera that looks similar to Nova 5T smartphone. Talking about the specifications, the Android Enterprise listing suggests the Huawei Nova 5T will support a 5.5-inch display, which is smaller than the Nova 5T smartphone that has 6.26-inch display. In terms of storage, the phone is set to pack with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of inbuilt storage. On the software front, the Nova 5T Pro will run on Android 9 Pie. Additionally, the listing also suggests the phone will feature side-mounted fingerprint sensor just like the Nova 5T smartphone, and it will support NFC connectivity. Apart from this, there is no other details of Huawei Nova 5T Pro has leaked so far, but it is believed that Nova 5T Pro will be the rebranded version of Honor 20 Pro smartphone. If that is to be true, then we can expect Nova 5T Pro to come powered by Kirin 980 chipset, and it will support 48MP quad camera setup. The battery capacity of the phone will be 4000 mAh with 22.5 watts fast charging support. However, the original Honor 20 Pro features 6.26-inch display, which is larger than the Nova 5T Pro as per the listing. So, in this case, we will have to wait for more details to confirm whether the Nova 5T Pro will be the rebranded version of Honor 20 Pro or not. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Huawei Nova 5T Pro, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.